Hi viewers, welcome to Joyful Homemaking. Today we are going to see an unboxing video. We ordered 3 items from Amazon recently. Let us go to the video to see these items one by one. First I am opening the tripod. This tripod is from Digitek company. The model number is DTR455LT. Let us see the features being mentioned in the box one by one. It has got 3-way head with adjustable pan, easy flip-lock legs, sturdy rubberized legs, bubble head to adjust the horizontal position, and a mobile holder. Let me take out the tripod. They have provided a nice bag. As per the spec, it is made of aluminium. It looks compact, right? It can go up to 4.26 feet, that's about 52-inch height. It looks steady. It looks good. I will show its full height. I am adjusting the flip-flop legs. It has 3-stage flip-locks to make it to full height. I am opening all the locks so that it goes to full height. I am locking the legs. On top of this you have one more vertical pipe. So you can vary the height of this pipe by tightening the knob. So you can see that. So I am able to adjust that. And you have a head on the top where you can fix the camera or smartphone. So that also you can adjust with using the knob to change its direction. So you can see I am able to adjust the head. So I am going to fix the mobile holder on it. So you have a screw on that, so you can tighten this mobile holder to it. So you can fix it. You have a flexible holding pan, so you can fix the mobile phone like this, and you can rotate the phone by adjusting the knob by tightening or loosening it. So you can adjust the height as well. Using this handle you can change the position of the smartphone either in portrait or in landscape position. Now I am going to unbox another item. It's a pulse oximeter. This I ordered to check oxygen saturation level for my family. So I am opening it now. Yes. So this is a pulse oximeter from Dr.Trust brand. I saw a good review on this brand, so I gone for this. This is an US based company. Yeah, they have provided in a small pack. Let me open it. Yeah. So they have given a pulse oximeter. You have a finger place holder. So they have given a manual. I will read it out later. Let me power on this pulse oximeter by placing its batteries. I will give a detailed review on this pulse oximeter in later videos. Yeah, it's powering up. It's good to see that. Now I am going to check the functionality of the oximeter. I am checking the oxygen level and heart rate for my son. It's powered up. The display is fine here, but it appears to be flickering. It's because of the difference in scanning frequency of the display and the recording device. Since I am recording in the smartphone, it appears to be flickering, but it's not. The device is fine, the display is fine here. The oxygen level and heart rates are fine for my son. The oxygen level comes around 99 and the heart rate is around 75 to 78 beats per minute. It's working fine. Now I am going to unbox the third item, which is in-ear headphone from Philips. This I bought to use it while I am traveling. It's nicely packed. It looks nice. Okay viewers, thanks for watching. Please provide your comment about this video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up. See you on the next video. Till then, take care.